Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel Spotify Premium. Now, if you're registered and subscribed to Spotify Premium and you want to cancel it, here is how to do it. First of all, you need to sign into your account. You need to go to spotify.com/account using your browser, log in with your account details, then now open the subscription section on the account page, find and click manage your plan under the your plan section. Now cancel your premium. Select cancel premium, click continue to cancel and follow the prompts. Once done, you see a message confirming when your premium ends. What happens after canceling? Okay, you keep your premium features until the current billing cycle ends. Then your account will switch to Spotify free. All your playlists and music stay saved. Important note, if you subscribe through Apple, Google Play or your phone provider, you have to cancel from that service instead. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe